We've just completed a wonderful workshop with this very, very interesting Ayurveda wellness brand called Earthen Wellness. Along with me is the founder of the company. Sharmila ji, I'll go straight away to you and ask you as to how has this franchise development workshop been for you today?
Yeah.
And have you met your expectations? Is everything clear from a franchise model perspective?
Yes, absolutely. I think I've got a better understanding and more clarity. Thank you. Because I think we got a better perspective in terms of understanding the 4-4 model. I think that was explained very well to us. And I think as franchise owners, we are also now much more aware in terms of things that we also need to work on.
Yes.
So I think we've got clarity on that. And you have highlighted, some of the key areas which we need to definitely concentrate on and get some traction on. So we will do that. Most importantly, I think the workshop was very structured. We have not wasted time getting into unnecessary details. It was good value addition, especially for me as a franchise owner. So we really appreciate it, and we look forward to getting more of your inputs and taking this forward in a very, very positive fashion.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
In fact, Ayurveda franchise like yours has got great global demand.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we've built this model from an international perspective as well.
Okay.
I believe Earthen Wellness can be a great international franchise. And once we structure it correctly, once we do it properly nationally, and expand things that the way it has to be done. See, how to franchise your spa business or how to franchise your wellness business in India has got a lot of criticalities. You need to understand those criticalities properly and set up the model in such a way that it works very well, because you're in the service industry and you don't want your brand to be tarnished with franchisees not operating your business correctly. So we've put a lot of things in place. We've structured a lot of material, a lot of ideas and a lot of strategies that will help you grow. So I'm looking forward to building the Earthen Wellness brand.